A real head-turner. This great soul is just waiting to bring the right owner lots of joy and happiness with years of trouble-free use. One of the best things about the space is something you can't see, but you'll be thankful for it every time you pull up to the pump priced below Nada Retail. What a value! New inventory safety equipment includes anti-lock brake system, traction control, curtain airbags, passenger airbags, stability control. Nicely equipped, power door locks, power windows, manual transmission, air conditioning, 1.6-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine.